When answering open-ended questions in science class, you are going to always answer using a technique called CER. CER stands for claim, evidence, and reasoning. In your claim, you are going to give one statement that simply answers the original question. This is usually just one complete standalone sentence. For example, you might say something like, "Our claim is," or "It is possible that." The claim is the direct answer to the question. Next comes your evidence. Your evidence is where you include all relevant data that supports your claim. The length of your evidence will vary with the amount of evidence that you can provide. In your evidence, you might refer to lab results, calculations, or provided data. But this should not include your interpretation of the information, just the physical information itself. Sentence starters for this includes based on the data collected or according to the data table. Finally, you're going to include your reasoning. This acts as a conclusion and should be a few sentences. This is where you connect your claim and evidence with a scientific explanation using facts and definitions. You might say things such as, "The evidence shows that," "This is important because," "In conclusion," or "Therefore."